This is what we do every day out here. We've got everybody working out corn, the chickens. All right. So what are you guys doing there? Checking for what? What else do we need to check?
The food and the water. Yeah.
And do they have enough food and water?
Food, yeah.
Yeah?
The water.
Did you count them? Make sure we have them all?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
All right. So what do we need to do now?
Go look at the garden.
Go look at the garden. Don't we need to shut it first?
So big.
That's lettuce. Papa's leaving that one up. What's in there? What is that? That one's not ready yet, is it? Remember, we have to wash them first. Look, Adam's out there mowing.
We got a tomato.
We've got a tomato. Then we got Christopher out there on the swing. Christopher likes to swing whenever we have the mower going. There's no more raspberries?
Yeah, they won't.
Are there any strawberries? Looks like Mom left the net off yesterday.
This flower's blue.
Look at all the weeds. Find one?
Is this done?
Nah, I don't know. It looks like you could use that one.
Okay. Dad, it's this one ain't done.
No. What are we looking for, guys? You have watermelon.
Whoa.
Oh, look, a watermelon.
Then there's a smaller one. Look at big boy. I don't know.
Cool, don't break it off.
I don't know what the smaller one is. But
What else is over here?
pumpkin and pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. Yeah,
That's
that's pumpkin.
pumpkin?
See, cantaloupe. Those two cantaloupes. Those are mine. And then, I don't know what this.
Well, they're trying to...
When is it? Corn gonna be done. Popcorn ain't gonna be done till fall.
Popcorn probably won't be done till the fall. What's that?
I don't know.
You don't know what that is?
Jalapeno?
Yeah?
No, it's not ready. It looks really good.
Dogs hanging out.
I thought you had the pumpkins. Heck, Linda said, oh, this one fell off, so I just got it.
Show us the pumpkin.
The pumpkin. Ah, my pumpkin. The pumpkin.
What's in there?
Huh?
It's like it's overgrown.
Onions.
What's supposed to be in there?
Onions and carrots. And tomatoes.
You see any in there? I see lots of tomato plants.
I see onions.
I see some carrots in there, but I don't think they're ready yet.
Yeah. Yeah, not ready. Oh, found one in the middle, but I can't get it. Got like a tiny bit of food. Like one drop of food and then Tiffany has blueberries.
She does. Yeah, here comes Raymond. Oh, give them to the chickens.
Hold your hand out so you know what you're doing.
Hello.
What's he scratching?
I'm gonna look at the grass mildly. It's driving me nuts.
Those aren't grass, those are weeds.
It doesn't matter. It makes me grass here too. Hold up to my skin.
That one's kind of interested. That one right there.
The red one.
I'm afraid he's gonna die. Ow!
He stole your
Berries. Absolutely love the berries.
What did you do, block him in?
I closed it a little bit.
So see, he's loving the berries over here.
Once more.
That's
Want the babies?
I know, where's
Dusty wants them. He wants the chickens.
Oh, that's whatever was anchored in there ain't anchored as much anymore.
They're so big.
Woo, when the grass touches the feet.
Oh!
Tasha's helping her pick up the chickens. She wants the chickens. There we go. You got a chickadee? Gonna come show it to the camera?
I got chicken.
Oh, is that your chicken?
Red. I got blue feathers.
Yes, she's got pretty blue feathers on her.
Yeah, she does.
That one, I don't know which red one likes my baby.
Oh, you have the chickens. Come here and help me with it too.
One of the white ones that has red things like that one.
Like these.
Yeah. In the bottom, that one's interested.
Do you want it? Taste it.